What's up, people? Um, Whoever had their PlayStation for like 1 or 2 years already probably realized that they need more space on the hard drive. So most of you already replaced them probably, but I still haven't. So here's the reasons why I need one. First of all, if it comes 40, 60 gigs, 80 gigs hard drive PS3s, they're not actually exactly that much space, because I got 60 and actually I got 55, and so you take 55, probably 5 or 10 of them worth of system settings, so you don't have that much. You got 40. So 40. Then you got game data, which is a lot. I mean, one game could be 500 gigs, not 500 megabytes. The other one could be a lot. I mean, 4 gigs. Oh my god. And you know, there's more games coming out like that, like BioShock and stuff like that. So it is getting disgusting. I mean, 4 gigs in each game worth of installing every time. I mean, you won't have any space at all. Second, the demos. I mean, I want to play some demos and keep it for a while, you know? Which is disgusting, because every time I get a new game, you gotta delete the demo, of course, because you don't have enough space. Yeah, I got some videos, which is a lot, but you know what? It's entertainment system, so I kind of want to be entertained and get some cool videos to watch. So, some music, a little bit of pictures. I have to delete a bunch of pictures. Oh well. So now, after a couple of years of PS3 business, they start making movies and stuff, of course, and you know, it's so much space. Even if I want to download one, it's a lot of couple of gigabytes at least, you know. And what if I buy it, and how do I keep it if I got no space in my hard drive? So yeah, I mean, you gotta update eventually. You gotta put a huge hard drive, so it will be enough until you switch to another PlayStation 4 or whatever. So yeah, I got, and some YouTube video. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and they basically got a bunch of people installing their hard drives the first time, and it looks pretty easy. So yeah, so I'm gonna put my new hard drive in, which I got from Newegg.com. Never heard of this site before. Someone told me it's good, so yeah, it was pretty cheap. $100, you know, 320 gigs. Has to be a laptop hard drive, 2.5 inches. SATA. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in.